It's raining up here. This place reminds me of that movie, The River Runs Through It. And it's beautiful up here, the fall colors. We're headed to Redding, California from the land. I'm still up in the mountains, following the river, Trinity River. We woke up this morning and decided it was a little too much cold and damp for us. We're headed south. And it is beautiful. We had one good day of pretty weather up here. It's like misty fall
so pretty
on the mountains. It is pretty. And the people up here drive way too fast. We don't drive that fast. Of course, they've probably seen it 1,000 times and we ain't. See how the fog is on the mountain? I'll let you go and talk to you later.